A particle has a position vector a, which is -2i plus 2j meters at time t equals 0, and 3 seconds later it is at the point with position vector b, which is 4i minus j meters. We want to find the velocity of the particle, assuming it moves with constant velocity. A sketch can help us make sense of the information in the question. So let's draw some axes. We have our x-axis and our y-axis. The particle starts at the point -2, 2. It moves to the point 4, -1. It does this in a straight line. However, if we look at the components of this vector, the particle has moved across to the right and then downwards. And if we look at the coordinates, we can see it's moved to the right by 6 units and downwards by 3 units. It did this in 3 seconds, and the velocity is assumed constant. Therefore, in each second, it will have gone to the right by 2 and downwards by -1. And since this is a velocity, the units are meters per second. We now want the speed of the particle. Remember, speed is a scalar associated with our vector, the magnitude of the vector, the length of the third side of this triangle. Using Pythagoras' theorem, v squared is 2 squared plus 1 squared, which is 5, and therefore v is √5 meters per second. Note the notation here. Our velocity as a vector is v underlined. We can write the scalar magnitude of this velocity with a v that is not underlined.